This is the Emergency Stain Rescue Stain Remover by Hate Stains. And this is an all-purpose cleaner to remove stains off upholstery, clothing, as well as carpet, and so much more. This comes in a convenient 4-ounce spray bottle, and all you have to do is spray it, blot it, rinse, and watch the stains disappear. This is powerful and quick and safe to use around kids as well as pets too. This is perfect for all types of stains, whether they're set in or fresh too. This also does not contain peroxide, chlorine, parabens, sulfates, or phosphates either. This is a universal stain fighter. It even works on hard to treat stains like ketchup, chocolate, blood, even spaghetti sauce too. Here we have a dish rag, and we're going to just spill a little bit of coffee on it. Just like that. But don't worry, we got Emergency Stain Rescue to the rescue. All you have to do is start spraying it on the stain. And watch how the stain starts disappearing. You can also rinse it with water. And now the stain is gone. I was sent this from Hate Stains to evaluate and for me to give my opinion, and I really like it, and I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.